what is 6 factorial? So in mathematics, ang exclamation mark, itong symbol na ganito, ang basa po niyan ay factorial. So ang hinahanap dito ay ang factorial ng 6. So paano ba i-solve ang factorial ng 6 or ang factorial? So factorial means product ng all positive integers from 6 down to 1. So for example, 6 times 5, so i-multiply mo lang ang lahat ng positive integers na nandito sa from 1 to 6. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So merong lumabas na ganito sa civil service exam, kaya please take note of this, how to solve factorial. So i-multiply mo lang lahat ng yan. So total of this is 720. So kayo nang bahalang mag-multiply dyan. Basta ganyan ang pag-solve ng factorial. So halimbawa, 4 factorial or factorial of 4. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So ganyan lang siya kasimple. So 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24 times 1, 24. So ganyan lang siya kasimple ang factorial. Pero syempre kung hindi mo alam, lalo na kung hindi mo kilala ang symbol na to in mathematics, so mag-aakala ka na that is an exclamation mark katulad ng sa English, di ba? Pero in mathematics, again, this is read as factorial. So what is 6 factorial?